I just wanted to share with you a little something I do when I explore Facebook or another website or something, and I'll come across something and it looks like this, and I'll think to myself, oh yeah, I'll have a quick read of this, see if I can help. And then I'll click on see more and go, boo, essay. I'm like, I ain't reading all that. Even though there's not much here on this one, sometimes you could get like 5 or 6 times this much, and I honestly just couldn't be bothered reading anymore. Getting on. So what I do is I copy text, and I'll come over to Google text to speech, which it opens up, and you'll see here, and because you've got to scroll down a fair way to get to where you want to be, you'll see this and you get put off by the website. You think, I went to the wrong place. But what you do is scroll down, come to here, and it's got a default text there. Grab that, like highlight it and paste over the top of it, and then click on speak it by robot. Then you can just listen to it. The longer the text, the longer.
Alright guys, so we have another chapter of Project Mud Panda. Was taking my wife and some friends on a dinner date at this cool brewery. Travel was fine up till about 5 minutes before we arrive. We get to our exit and all of a sudden we hear a terrible clunking noise. Totally new, never heard before. So we pull over and we find out the passenger side rear shock absorber decided to shear out of the control arm. Needless to say, we couldn't.
So you get the point there. So it just reads it all for me, and sometimes grammar can be all out, so you've got to make heads and tails out of it yourself. But that's so much easier. I just couldn't be bothered just reading it. I'll just have Google read it to me. So yeah, I thought I'd share that with you. I tried to find an app on the phone to try and do the same thing, but all the apps I tried, narrators and so forth, nothing worked on my phone to do the same thing. So this is PC only. Anyway, I just wanted to chuck that by you and shows what I do. And yeah, maybe one of you guys out there want to do it. Cheers.